Have you ever wondered why your gut is often referred to as your second brain? This is no casual nickname. It speaks volumes about the vital role our gut plays in our overall health. Consider this. Nestled within our gut is a complex ecosystem, a bustling metropolis of bacteria known as the microbiome. It's a world teeming with trillions of microbes, each with a role to play in our well-being. These diligent dwellers are our unsung heroes, working round the clock to ensure smooth digestion and efficient nutrient absorption. But their role doesn't stop at digestion. They're also our frontline defenders, bolstering our immune system, warding off invaders, and keeping us in good health. The state of our gut can impact everything from our mood to our susceptibility to certain diseases. That's why it's essential to treat our gut with the care it deserves. Indeed, the gut is not just about digestion, it's a key player in our overall health. But what makes our gut so integral to our health, you might wonder? Well, let's delve into the science behind gut health. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses collectively known as the gut microbiome. This diverse community of microbes plays a vital role in our health, influencing everything from digestion and immune function to our mood and mental health. How does this happen? Well, these microbes help break down food, absorb nutrients, and produce essential vitamins. They also communicate with our immune system, helping it distinguish between harmful invaders and harmless substances. And it doesn't stop there. The gut microbiome also influences our brain. You've probably heard of the term gut-brain axis. This is a bidirectional communication system between our gut and our brain, which can influence our mood, stress response, and even memory. Now, let's talk about probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. On the other hand, prebiotics are types of dietary fiber that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. They help the probiotics thrive and multiply. In essence, your gut is more than just a digestive organ. It's a complex ecosystem that plays a crucial role in your overall health. So, a healthy gut translates to a healthier you, both physically and mentally. Intrigued by the power of your gut? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of health and wellness, where every discovery can be a step towards better well-being. At Medvista, we believe in empowering you with knowledge, unraveling the intricacies of gut health and its substantial impact on your overall health. So why not embark on this enlightening journey with us? Unlock more health secrets by subscribing to Medvista. Stay healthy, stay informed.